Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. My name is Jeremiah Daniel aka Jerry Keys, the crypto musician. So today I want to be bringing you a sweet and an important update about how to make money on TikTok, and also how to create PayPal, how to withdraw money to your PayPal account from TikTok, from any other account, right? So I'm going to be talking about PayPal and TikTok, but I won't be going too deep on the PayPal. So because PayPal is a very sensitive account, and so if you need information about PayPal, you have to reach me. But I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I use PayPal on TikTok, right? How to withdraw your money from TikTok to PayPal, and is more like the same way you're also going to be withdrawing from any other place that you want to use PayPal. Do you understand? So there was one time I went online and I saw that originally everybody knows that in Nigeria that PayPal is a headache, right, in Nigeria. So a lot of people have been checking for updates here and there about PayPal. Do you understand? They didn't find it, right? So and then I saw that a lot of people have issues withdrawing from their TikTok accounts. As you can see, this is my own TikTok account, this is my brother's TikTok account, there are other accounts there, you get. So I delete most accounts because once I help them to withdraw their money from their TikTok, I don't want to have their accounts in my place again. This person too, I'm helping the person to withdraw. Do you understand? So now so one of the things that people don't know, first of all, a lot of people too have been asking me that do they make money on TikTok? Do they make money on TikTok? Yes, they make money on TikTok. So you don't know. Well, they make money on TikTok. You don't really need to be having, you don't need to have 1,000 followers for you to make money on TikTok. To make money, let me go to my own page. To make money on TikTok is very, very simple. I tell you the truth. To make money on TikTok is very, very simple. Even if you have 10 followers, if you have 5 followers, you can still make money on TikTok and you withdraw it. If you check in this video, say I also withdrew for somebody that was 39 followers and I was withdrawing like $5 for that person. So if you have, even if it is this money in your TikTok account, you can still make money. So how do you make money from TikTok even when you know you don't have money? For example, look at these places now. You can see this African Mother, Pretty For Sure, Giftcards and all. Now the thing is, you cannot go on live until you reach 1k. You can see this 1,000 that is here, this 1,000. Until you get to 1,000 before you can host a live. Look at, if I want to host a live, I have to switch it. You can see live, right? You can see go live. It is only when you reach 1,000 before you can do it. But if you know you don't have it, so if I come to this place now, I can see people on live now. If I click on any of these people, right?
Thank you.
So you see what this girl is doing now. She's actually, her own type of going live is by playing match. So she comes to this live, people gift her while she does a match battle with other users that come on live like her too. Do you understand? So her own type of live, she doesn't bring people up, you know. That's how she is, like somebody like African Mother now. Yeah. So her type of life is the type of life that you can make money on. Like you can see the box now. Assuming I sent AI and she's supposed to send me, it should mention my name or either bring me up with the request, or I click on the request on that box. So when they bring you up to that box, this is actually where you make money. You can see those diamonds in those people's place, those 60, 100, 60, 111. Sometimes some people get up to 1,000 of it. Those are the money. Do you understand? That's money. So they always have topics to talk about, and then they bring you. So all you just need to do is you just need to follow up on the box, like now. You just need to watch what they are doing. For example, create an awareness around by tapping on the box to like the creator. You can also follow the person that is there, right? They will notice that you are there. Just keep on tapping, listen to what they are saying, the conversations. You can chip into the conversations. They will add you up to the box, right? Or you can click on request by yourself. But over time, people will be dashing you gifts. Do you understand? They will notice you, they will dash you gifts. That's how you can actually make money on this thing. It's very, very simple. So some people originally add you because they know that adding you would spice up their life, and it's more like building a community, right, or a family on the internet. There where people talk about interesting topics, like you see now they have a discussion that they are doing there, right? So that's how to actually basically make money on TikTok. So you have to be patient, and then you have to have data to make money on TikTok. Do you understand? So, and it's very very simple. So now when you make the money on TikTok, the next thing you want to do is to withdraw the money. So now we are going to how to withdraw money on TikTok. All you want to do now is to click on this profile, like from your home. Just click on profile, right? And then you look at the top, you see the three lines at the top there. You tap on it, and then you look down, you will see settings and privacy, my QR code, creators to click on settings and privacy, right? When you click on settings and privacy and then you go to balance, that is where you are going to see how much you have made on PayPal. So when you click on balance, that's when it takes you to the next place that you see money, right? So you tap on balance. So now you can see this $47.87, which is equivalent to 39,608. So this accumulated diamonds is what gave you this $47, right? This 37, this accumulated, and TikTok may award diamonds as reward based on popularity of your content, blah blah blah. So you understand? So the money accumulated is what got to this 39,006, which is $47. You can see all the rewards that this person was getting, right? You can see 85 cents, 34, you can see 12 cents. So this person has been collecting up to like 30th of November 2023. So we are going to withdraw this one. How to do that now is to just click on withdraw. Now you don't even need to have all you just need to do is withdraw to a PayPal account. PayPal is better. PayPal is actually very better. And if you need someone to help you withdraw, you can always contact me. I'm going to put my details. You can reach out to me. You can use my PayPal account. I'll just give you a very good rate that you can use. So you don't need to be greedy. This is just a free money, but it just took you time and stress. So you just ask me, I would give you my account. I'll just help you. Do you understand? So it's a very simple method, simple thing. You can see that it's withdrawing to PayPal, right? So I'm going to be using my PayPal account to withdraw for this person. And PayPal is restricted in Nigeria, so I'll just look for the country, which I am using Finland right now. So you can see they'll ask you that you must be at least 18 years old and have successfully completed the verification procedure before we can send you money via PayPal. To cover these costs, we incur for third-party services fee. We will automatically deduct 10 cents or 1.5% of the value before funds are posted to your account. Do you understand? So they take charges, right? So you have to take note about that. You just click on OK and then you click on it again. So it's going to proceed. So it's going to ask you to verify the account and the code will be sent. So we'll just do that briefly. So now this is what they are saying now. I've put in my password and then they show me here, connect your PayPal account to TikTok. This lets TikTok receive personal info, full name, email, receive personal info, full name or email. You click on agree and connect, right? You are now leaving PayPal. We are sending you to TikTok. Do you understand? So it's processing now. Payment method added, right? So I'll click on what's done. Click on all. I want to withdraw all the amounts. So amounts you receive is 47.05. They are taking charges. See, the service fee is $82. So I'm going to click on withdraw, right? They say withdraw details, PayPal wallet to my email, right? Mary223. Make sure the email is accurate. Right? So you can see that I got a notification, right? Mary Brown 223. Next, I'll just click on withdraw. So I'm withdrawing and I'll confirm now, right? I'm confirming that I'm sending all due money to that place. So withdraw request submitted. So they say view transaction details. You can open TikTok to check it out. You can see it's live withdrawal to PayPal 47.87, right? Payment method PayPal to this account. So arrival time is 30th 11/2023 15:02:41. So I'm going to be waiting for it to reflect in my PayPal account. You can see I just received the Gmail app on my mail. I just got service at international PayPal. TikTok has sent money sent you money, right? So you can see that it's very simple and fast. If you want me to help you withdraw from your TikTok, it's just the rate, and the rate makes sense. I'll just help you withdraw your funds from TikTok as simple as possible. You just need to trust me. No matter the amount, I'll help you withdraw it from your TikTok account, from your if you're a musician, I can withdraw from your streaming platform. I can withdraw from any platform that requires PayPal withdrawal stuff, and I'll withdraw it for you. You can fully trust me to get your money, right? So now I have to send this screenshot to the owner that has this, and I'm going to credit the person right now because this money has landed my PayPal account. Do you understand? So as you can see, this is another money I want to withdraw from here, right? So you can see the money. I just click on withdraw. I've already done a video for this, but I'm just redoing it again, right? Because this is another amount of money. So I already have a payment address, which is my PayPal. You can see it. So this is my PayPal. If I want to add more this, I'll just click on add payment method. That's if I want to add more. Do you understand? But if I'm doing PayPal, I have to, if I want to change this, I have to delete this PayPal to put another PayPal. But if it is this one I want to use, I just stick on this one. So now I'm withdrawing 34.55, and they're taking 0.62 US dollar as the gas fee, right? So I'm going to be getting 33.93. I like to screenshot because I'm withdrawing for somebody, so I need to show them what I'm doing. Do you understand? So clicking withdraw. So I'll proceed. They say withdrawal request submitted, view transaction details, open in TikTok. So it's showing processing. Once it's sent, it will show check that it's sent. Do you understand? So I just got a notification. So service paper, TikTok has sent you money. Hello Mary Brown, TikTok has sent you 33.93 USD. So it has sent. Can you see it? I just got a mail that they have sent money from TikTok to my PayPal. Do you get it? So that money don't go like that. What's the law? So let's go back to PayPal. So guys, this is my PayPal, right? You can see my name Jeremiah Ayo, but you can see that it is a different name that I have in the mail. so I transferred the money into this account. So you can see 29 euros, right? So we converted from dollar to euro. That's why you're seeing that 29.98. So, and this is my PayPal. You can see it's 30.90. So money that came in was 30.90 euro. So this is my PayPal, and it is on auto withdrawal. So you can see recent activity, payment from TikTok 1640, 33,093, $33 right, 93 cents. So you can see it's transfer to bank. I have done the transfer to bank. You can see it's $45, right? This was in November. You can see completed. Another $5 too. So you can see it. So you can see all the activities I've done in PayPal. So this is to let you know that I can help you create a good PayPal that you can use, right? A working PayPal that you can use, and that you can also link to your bank. Do you understand? The PayPal you can link to bank and that you can use. Do you understand? So if it is about verification, I will sort out verification for you. I'll walk you through how to do the verification and everything. If you don't want to create, if you want to buy already made PayPal and bank link to it, I can sell for you. If you just want only PayPal, I can sell for you too. Do you understand? So if you have money in your TikTok, Facebook, or any other place, I can help you withdraw your money for a rate, right? But normally I'm supposed to teach you, okay, this is how you can create it normally the way we do. But the thing is, I was warned not to do it because people know that where I paid for this update, they know that I am a YouTube content creator. So I was warned not to put it online. And if you check originally, you see that a lot of people are not really putting the exact real information online. PayPal is very angry. PayPal can block anybody. PayPal can block people very well, right? So that is why you see that people just put anyhow cut and join videos on YouTube, and they don't really hit it on the nail. They will not tell you click on this link and chat me on WhatsApp. Then when you not go on WhatsApp, they will not bill you. When they not bill you to pay before, they will not tell you, but they warn you that you should not put it online. Do you understand? I've done a lot of videos on YouTube about this thing. If I tell you, when I got this, I was so happy. you will not understand. I was so happy. So I don't mostly even open my PayPal because I don't want problem with PayPal. That's why I mostly don't open it. So I don't want any issues with PayPal. PayPal is strict, so I just leave my PayPal like that. If I have an issue, if my PayPal is bad, I will know that my PayPal is bad. Do you understand? So they'll just send me a mail that my PayPal is maybe blocked or anything, but I can open any country PayPal for you. For example, US PayPal is not even strong, so if you want to be creating a US PayPal, I would advise you not to create something else. Especially those of you that are doing Upwork, freelancing and all those stuff, or remote jobs in Nigeria or any other country like Ghana, like any other place. So, and you can create PayPals like UK PayPal, Lesotho PayPal, Portugal PayPal. Like this, my own PayPal is Finland PayPal. So you can create several PayPals as long as it is accepted, right? For they accept it for sending and receiving, then you can do it. Do you understand? I'll tell you all the apps that you need to have, to be able to do it, and then how you can go about it, what you need to click, what you need to use. There are a lot of rules and regulations guiding how to have a good PayPal that can last. There are sometimes that people can wake up like this with anger and just block all the accounts in your possession. If you have like up to 5 accounts, they can block all. Do you understand? It depending on what you are doing that makes them do stuff like that. That's why I see me, I don't even touch my own. You see me, I don't go there. If not for this video, I didn't have any reason to go there because my withdrawal is automatic. Do you understand? So yeah, this is all I have to say about the PayPal. And you can see all the bank, like the bank transaction, you can see that there's a bank that is linked to it directly, right? So I don't need to stress myself about, oh, I have to add the card to this, I have to do this, I have to do that. You can even receive money via donations, right? Those of you that have Nigerian accounts that you want to move your money away from PayPal, right? I can help you do that. If you have issues with PayPal verification and anything, I can help you do it, right? I just need to speak to my friends, they will do it for you. So you can see that bank has already sent the money, and you can see people's transaction, you can see the successful transactions reports and everything, right? So I'm trusted, you can trust me, you can count on me for your deals, for your transactions. I'll be able to help you do them, like gift card and every other thing. I can help you handle them. So thank you guys for your time. So if this information was helpful, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe, like and share this video. Tell your friends so you can see this is tested and trusted and you can see it live. So click on the like button, help us to subscribe. Let's get this viral. Let's let people see that you can actually withdraw. I can teach you how to also create this by yourself. Do anything you want on PayPal. God bless you so much. Happy New Year, guys.